The giant Google did not start off that way. It started in 1995 by two Stanford University students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Their desire was to develop a search engine algorithm. Did the world know this in 1995? No, the owners plus 3 or 4 other close friends, not founders and affiliates, who saw their failures before they got it right. Only they, not the whole world. 1 year later, they changed the name from the original name, Backrub, to the name Google today, and that name stuck. Did the world know that the name was Backrub? Then changed to Google. No, those close to the company were probably frustrated and probably didn't all agree. But did they have the whole world looking at what they were doing and complaining about the failures and blaming them for not starting the company when they wanted the company to start? That didn't happen because no one knew except those close to the scene. 3 years later, after the name changed, Google Inc. officially was founded, September 4th, 1998. The whole world didn't even know about Google until 3 years after the work started in 1995. Larry Page and Sergey Brin missed a lot of heartaches and growing pains because the whole world wasn't invited to be a part of their company when it started, by complaining and criticizing their every move because the world didn't know they existed in 1998 because their Google didn't invite the world to be founders or affiliates. But they did launch the advertising platform in the year 2000. In the year 2004, Google goes public with the initial public offering IPO on Nasdaq. Google didn't offer founders and affiliates positions with its company. From 2000 to 2004, income was made by those in Google. Not even shareholders shared in those profits. There were other acquisitions later, but a shutdown of one of Google's platforms called Google Social Network started in 2011 and was shut down in 2010. But Alphabet Inc. still didn't let that stop them from acquiring Google as a subsidiary of its corporation. How big is Google now? The company that we are a part of did just the opposite of Google by offering people to become founders and affiliates of this company. This company did not go public. It is private and will remain private. Thanks to our CEO, Mr. Ash Mufareh and his family. The world knows all our failures. But now this time, they will know our success. Because this company will only let the world know when founders and affiliates know. And not 1 second before Mr. Ash Mufareh says his company is ready. Founders and affiliates, we're going to be so happy when that time comes, when the whole world would know what has taken a relatively short period of time compared to what other companies have done in this business space.